Today I'm spilling the tea on the hottest door trends of 2024. White wonders. These doors are like a design magic trick. White doors make your space look bigger and brighter, and they go with literally any vibe. Clean and perfect, they are win. Minimalist marvels. Less is more, my friends. Minimalistic doors are all about embracing modern vibes. They bring a sense of lightness and order to your space. Pick a color or finish that matches your overall style. Sneaky see-through doors. Ever heard of doors that play hide and seek with your walls? Imagine doors that vanish into the background but still bring a pop of color with sleek aluminum details. Now, that's some next level design fun. Tall elegance. Go big or go home. Tall doors reaching from the floor to the ceiling make a bold statement. They add a touch of luxury and openness, making your place feel like a design dream. Perfect for any modern or classic setup. So which door trends are you crushing on? Let me know in the comments.